Hello, let's evaluate this integral I equal to integral minus infinity to plus infinity, integral minus infinity to plus infinity, e power minus ax square minus 2bxy minus cy square dx and dy, right? So let's start it. I equal to integral minus infinity to infinity, integral minus infinity to infinity. Let's separate this out as integral minus a into x square plus 2b by a xy into e power minus c y square dx dy. Right, as you can see here in the first term here, this term minus ax square minus into plus minus a will get cancelled, 2b xy. Fine. So let it be integral minus infinity to plus infinity, integral minus infinity to plus infinity. Let's try to write the numerator of exponential as a plus b whole square form. Then it will be e power minus a of x square plus 2 into x into by by a. Right? Then you need to add by a whole square, then subtract it by whole square. This is full bracket which is multiplied with a here into e power minus c y square dx dy. Right? Then I will be integral minus infinity to plus infinity, integral minus infinity to plus infinity, e power minus a of x plus by a whole square into, remove this outer part, e power minus into minus will get plus a into b square y square by a square into e power minus c y square dx dy. Right, here one way, one a will go off. Then this will be I equal to integral minus infinity to plus infinity, integral minus infinity to plus infinity. This will be e power minus a into x plus by by whole square. Let's keep dx into e power, you can see here it will be b square by a minus c into y square dy. So let's try to separate accordingly with respect to dx dy. This will be integral minus infinity to infinity e power, let's take minus common in this term, then it will be e power minus of c minus b square by a into y square. Then this integral minus infinity to plus infinity e power minus a into x plus by by a whole square dx into dy. Let's calculate the thing which is in the bracket first. Right, here for this case let's consider x plus by by a tends to x, right? Then if x tends to minus infinity, then the new x which we transformed changes to minus infinity. If x tends to plus infinity, then also x tends to plus infinity. That is, they are not going to change anything, right? Then which is I equal to integral minus infinity to plus infinity e power minus of c minus b square by a into y square. Then this will be integral minus infinity to plus infinity e power minus a x square dx into dy. Then this term which is in the brackets is Gaussian integral, right? The formula for Gaussian integral is integral minus infinity to plus infinity e power minus alpha x square dx is root of pi by alpha. So I will be integral minus infinity to plus infinity e power minus of c minus b square by a into y square. This will be root of pi by a dy. Right? You can bring the root pi by a with this constant out. Then this will be integral minus infinity to plus infinity e power minus of c minus b square by a into y square dy. Right? Then this is again the Gaussian integral. So I will be root of pi by a into, here alpha is c minus b square by a, right? Then it will be pi by c minus b square by a, which is root pi will be pi by root a into this will be ac minus b square root ac minus b square into root a. Root a will get cancelled. Then I will be pi by root of ac minus b square. So finally the solution is integral minus infinity to plus infinity integral minus infinity to plus infinity e power minus x a x square minus 2bxy minus cy square dx dy is pi by root ac minus b square. This is solution.